today on stage. Please come in, please come in. Please come in. You're late. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's the final day. Oh. Anyone got a headache? No? No hangovers here? Right? Okay, me neither. Oh. So come in, please come in, please come in, please come in. So tomorrow morning we will have some performances for you, as you can see. Some chemistry, of course some music, and of course many slides. So it will be lots of fun. But first of all, Rosa and I prepared some playing with the guitars up here. So I would like to ask Rosa to come up here on stage. Of course we don't do it. But Rosa, I want to tell you something. Yeah, wouldn't it be nice? I've never played the guitar, so it would be wonderful for you. I think it's open.
Yeah, okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Let's try once more. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
That's more likely. Okay. So, just a few announcements to get you going. Don't forget that lunch bags are going to be available for you upstairs whenever you feel like getting them. There is no pressure in time. We are going to have trash bags. This house has, they recycle everything, so there are different bins for the different things. So make sure you ask us for the plastic bag you need for the things that you want to throw away. If you want to give away something also, you can inform at the end of this day, say I have this or that to give, and whoever wants it can take. We do have electric cords to give away, and cardboard, because the whole thing is built on cardboard, so it's recyclable, reusable. So for the Portuguese teachers in particular, if you want to take like 100 of them home with you, please do so. We're not going to throw it away, but we really would like those of you who can make good use of it to please come to us at the end of the day. Also, I would like to say that we will announce the bingo winners by the final ceremony, and also the goal-up challenge. And the ice break winners, you are going to receive information that you have accomplished your mission, and that person over there that will stand up, Steph Tishka, the member of my team, he is guilty for all of it. And so just go looking for him and get your prize from him, okay? And don't forget that we have 2 workshops running this morning. One, the 2 of them from Google, Earth Engine, and Storytelling. Have a super morning with us.
Okay, so could we please close the doors? Thank you so much. Is everybody here? Finally? Okay. So, with no word saying, now we will have some sounds of science on stage. So, I was told that the technique will now start the presentation, and we will see a video, and let's say the stars will come in and start their playing in here. So, let's enjoy the show with the sounds of science.
My dream is to travel to space, return to Earth and be the king of the place. My dream is to visit the planets, crossing the net and say hello to the comets. My dream is to travel the sky, cross solar system, no one ever tried. My dream is to turn the key to some unknown and let the people see. When I wake up, I go to my school with kids on my shoulder, singing science is my rule. Singing science is my rule. My dream is to be scientist, making research and following. My dream is to turn the key to solve a law and let the people see. When I wake up, I go to my school with kids on my shoulder, singing science is my rule. When I wake up, I go to my school with kids on my shoulder, singing science is my rule. When I wake up, I go to my school with guitar on my shoulder, singing science is my rule. When I wake up, I go to my school with guitar on my shoulder, singing science is my rule. Thank you.
Hi, dear colleagues. We are Álvaro and Mario, Portuguese teachers of physics and mathematics. We teach in Arda, a small but beautiful city in the middle of Portugal. We believe we have to find new ways to communicate in our class, to connect to students with their own tools, adding curiosity in their minds and music. Why music? We choose music because it can bring generations together, make us dreams with us feel, believe, share, smile. We need it at school. We make songs to teach different subjects of physics, chemistry, and mathematics, using music to add joy to science.
Fazer pesquisa, seguir uma pista. O meu sonho é ir mais além, é chegar onde nunca foi ninguém. Quando melhor, vou para a escola. Quando ao mundo e a curiosidade cresce.
Muito bem de trabalhar e coisas assim. Fizemos vocês de novo.
Music is an important vehicle of information, but music could be also the subject to analyze. Numerous experiments with sounds can be created, from changing the amplitude or frequency of the music, or understand the differences between pure and complex sound. But many more possibilities can be explored, such as the constructive and destructive effects of adding waves, or the incredible resonance effect in which a wave produced by one instrument can produce a vibration of equal frequency in another. You should ask to your students new ideas to apply. I'm sure you will be surprised. How to understand the physics behavior of the sound waves and how to add and subtract sounds, students must use this knowledge also to apply to mathematics. They can add and subtract waves and verify that the behavior of the algebraic result is consistent with the tested sound experience. In addition to learning the concepts of both physics and mathematics, they will easily understand the closer relationship between these two sciences and the reason they represent the worlds around us. And now, no more talk. Let's sing a song about how to filter knowledge.
crossing all the space and time, an ever-ending movement that will never, never die. It's so good to feel alive, feel the wind and the sun, and let all my thoughts free as a ship upon the sea, sailing waves unknown deeply inside of me. When the dark night rises, after the sun goes down, flashes of a shining light, flaming figures in the night. The sky is now with many stars to overfly. It's so good to feel alive, feel the wind and the sun, and let all my thoughts free as a ship upon the sea, sailing waves unknown deeply inside of me. Each one of many stars, during life and in our death, making endless cycles free, that forms you and me, and all the rest around. We stardust and curiosity, 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 we stardust and curiosity. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. I think now we will remove something from stage, I guess. Yeah, wonderful. What has happened? Let's check some Twitter. Have you tweeted something? Yeah. A hashtag is already there. Science on Stage 2019. Oh, let's see. Oh, someone's tweeting something. He's saying, talking about the International Astrophysical Union celebration 100th birthday today at Science on Stage 2019. Who's Juarez Rivero? Where is he? Oh, there! Father, could you come on stage, please? What an awesome tweet! What an awesome tweet! Look, here's a red microphone for you.
Hello everyone, good morning.
So, you are the one who's doing this whole birthday thing, this whole 100th celebration of the International Astronomical Union, right?
I coordinated that, but it's not only me.
I mean, that's awesome. Now you have some slides for us, and it's about we are all living under one sky. And so, give them a warm applause and the stage is yours.
Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Juarez Rivero. I work at the Leiden Observatory, also for the International Astronomical Union, coordinating the centenary celebration of the International Astronomical Union. I'm really happy to be here. It's really interesting to hear about all what you are doing. I always like to come to this conference with a lot of teachers because you get really excited about what people are doing. Thanks, Rosa, for inviting me. So I will give you a bit of the highlights of what we have done for this year, and also the especially related to things that teachers can do. I don't know, how can I pass my slides? I guess it's this. Yes. So just to let you know about the International Astronomical Union, it's the union of professional astronomers. There are 13,000 astronomers around the world that are members of IAU, and their mission is to promote, through international cooperation, promote astronomy in all its aspects, including education. And why that? Because, I mean, first, astronomy is awesome. I think everyone has been mesmerized looking at the starry sky. Even since all cultures, everyone has been using the sky for many things. In a way, also astronomy joins us together. It's this feeling of where we are